That one you can arrange with the, because I'm seeing this.
It has been held so.
Leo nimeweza kupelekwa kotini mahali ambapo tumemaliziwa kwa sasa, na ningependa kushukuru the independence in our courts. Ile vita ambayo ilikuwa justice versus money, and justice has really won. I really appreciate and thank our courts being led also by our very able legal team. 56 walishikwa, tukang'ang'ana, wakatolewa 44, wakapaki 12. Mheshimiwa naye anakuja kuambiwa andike statement, alabu anasukumwa, anasema lazima alale cell, na alichileta, si ati alitafutwa, alichileta.
The applicant has failed to demonstrate compelling reason to warrant the detention of the respondent for 21 days or at all. The reasons advanced are either unsupported by evidence, speculative, or unrelated to the necessity of detention. In that case, the court makes the following orders in the interest of justice. Number 1, the application dated 23rd June 2026 seeking orders to detain the respondent for 21 days is hereby dismissed. The respondent shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 100,000 with one surety of similar amount. In the alternative, and without prejudice, he will be released. Respondent shall be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 50,000. And in that one, also add that he also provide us with a contact person who shall also act as a surety, in as much as it's a public figure. The respondent shall report to the investigating officer every Monday, despite his busy schedule as a member of parliament, Wednesday and Friday, or they may agree with the IO until the expiry of the 21 days that was sought.